In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus stock unloading screen. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the server status of Disney Plus. So launch your preferred browser, type in Disney Plus server status. Now navigate to this website down detector. Check if there are any outages. If the service is experiencing an outage, you will need to wait until it's resolved. If not, you can follow other steps. So, first close the app and relaunch it. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Restart your router if needed. If you are connected to VPN or proxy, disable it. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check for your device software update. So launch settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, uninstall the app and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Disney Plus app, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.